No, sir.
Yeah, I think we liked it.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, so we
No,
just shopped
sir.
around the house, found some.
No, sir.
I have it plugged up and ready to go.
No, sir.
Alright, so this is what we're looking
No,
like.
sir. No, sir. No Maybach, but I ain't got a chauffeur.
Girls like me, I like a magnet to a knife. Can like a lighter from the ocean. Hey babes, hey babe, hit play. Welcome to your glam escape.
Scout's out here in these streets on his dilly dally. What you looking at, Scout? Come on. Y'all, look at this for the living room for Scouty. I know, he always got to pick out a toy when we come down this aisle.
Get in it. Thank you, ever
Yeah. Sit. Okay, we like it. Okay, I think we liked it. It's cute, and it has the gold hardware to match what we already have in the living room. That one's cute.
Look, go ahead. Look.
Where you at? Say hey. Besties in the chat, checking in all day. From the desk job to the classroom, we bring the glam to your living room. Glow with Misha.
I know, we gotta check out. We gotta check it out. These are your things. We know. Scouty, your stuff is still in here. This chair will be perfect for the cloffice. They have the prettiest art. This pink chair. We gotta show his aunt. Going in 5Below. Look at these mirrors, y'all. We are in 5Below. I'm gonna grab one. They got a bunch. So if I like this one when I get home, we'll be back today for more. I'm definitely grabbing one. Scouty is a shopping. That's his favorite, y'all. He loves the dilly dally.
$10.
Yeah, there's $10. And a pink 10-pound weight.
It was too light. You need two of these.
I get a 10-pound. Oh, that's not a 10-pound? They got a 10-pound right there too, though. That's an 8-pound.
Oh, no.
Say hi.
Thank you.
All right, so here is the mirror we picked up from 5Below. It looks nice. We just have it sitting here for now until I find a designated spot for it. I have some ideas, but right now is where it is going to sit. I love it. Super affordable, of course. You know it's from 5Below. Don't mind the boxes in the back. That box is from a new ceiling fan that I recently installed in my bedroom. Y'all know I am on a quest to change out my ceiling fans to chandeliers. I'm about that chandelier life. Some more ain't the only one. Some more is not the only one. But this is nice, y'all. And I got on my old navy jelly slides. Picked these up last week. Because y'all ain't seen me in a while. I've been in Dallas. We went to Dallas for a quick dilly-dally. And yeah. Scouty's enjoying his new chair. Y'all look at Scouty. He is enjoying his new chair. OMGG. It is cute. OMGG. Do you like it, Scout? You do? I think he likes it. He just like, you know, he just likes to act like he's indifferent about things, but he likes it. I think he likes it. Yeah, you do? It's cute. I think his pink chair is cute. It is very, very player, Scouty. It's player. So we're working on a little paint project right now. I'm painting the cabinets in my closet room black because y'all know I have a vanity in here, and this is where I wash wigs and bundles and do my nails and everything of the sort up here. Full-on beauty room. All right, so this is what we're looking like so far. It needs another coat, especially down bottom. You ever start a project and then you're like, you just go into instant regret or second guessing. So that's where I am with this. Maybe I should have left this white. But then again, everything else in the room is black. So I'm changing it out to black. But yeah, that's where I am with this. But I like it. It just needs to dry, I guess. Let me just let it dry and we'll see how we like it. And like I said, I am changing the knobs out. We know I love gold, so we'll order a 6-piece knob set, round gold ones from Amazon. I feel like it looks better though. It looks better. But this is what I've been doing these past couple of weeks. Doing a little traveling and spring cleaning. There comes Scouty. You coming in, Scout? All right. We are back downstairs in my bedroom. I am getting ready to make my bed. My bedding has been washing all morning, but before we put on our bedding, we're going to deep clean our mattress and mattress cover. Now, this is Feppo's mattress vacuum cleaner. You've seen one of these before on my channel, but this one's going to be a bit different. It has some new features, so I can't wait to share this with you. I'm just so happy that they were gracious enough to send this over for me to share it with you. So just in case you're interested, the links will be down below in that description box, so don't skip over it. So this is it. It almost looks like the one I have, the color scheme and the build. But y'all, I'm so excited. I actually love using these on my soft surfaces, especially my beds and my couches and my chairs, because girl, they suck up so much dirt, like dirt and dust that isn't seen by the naked eye, girl. This is heaven sent. And if you're a pet owner like me and you got a little Scouty that sheds, okay, this comes in handy. Okay, so here's everything that comes inside. We have the ocean scented scent diffusers, and we have the little filter. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. And this is the little fragrance pod, a little tablet, if you will. It's more like a tablet. And it goes right in here. Just like that. I have it plugged up and ready to go. But it is a very nice looking little machine. I love a good gadget. But girl, let's go ahead and get this mattress cover clean so we can put this bed together. All the dust and dirt being trapped inside. OMGG. Dust mites, pet hair, skin cells. So today we're changing the bedding to this Madison Park set. I have not changed my bedding in years, so I am so nervous about this. I'm praying that it looks as pretty as it does on the picture. I'm pretty sure it does because I love the Madison Park brand. I have been rocking with them for forever, so let's go ahead and see how it looks. All right, guys, I do like the new bedding. I really do. I think it is very nice. Of course, I gotta add my pillows back. But yeah, I do like it. It's very nice. Okay, so we just shopped around the house, found some more pillows. This is more my speed. I like it. I love the tones. I love the textures. So this works for spring and summer. And then we'll be back into my ultra plush chocolate look for, you know, fall and winter. But I like it. The link will be down below in that description box, so don't skip over it. I'll give you a quick bed tour. Here's his area rug, his fluffy fluff bed, his main bed, and he is under his covers right now relaxing. He's in the Hampton. You like it, Scouty? He said he's relaxing, and we still got to put his art on the wall. We're gonna get his art up. Here's his apartment. His apartment just got a fresh dusting. It is super cute. All right, guys, if you guys saw my recent short form content a week or two ago, I installed Chandelier in my bedroom, and I love it. It is silver. She's very nice. I grabbed it from Amazon. The information will be down below in that description box should you be interested. I love it. OMGG. It is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. Install took about 45 minutes to an hour. Relatively affordable. Wasn't super taxing. And y'all know I'm an open box girly. I did purchase it open box because I like to save some coin. But yeah, it's nice. You know, the bedding is definitely something different for me, but I like it. I definitely like it. It's Scouty's little pink chair for me. I love it. It is so cute. Bed. Get in it. Bed. Yay, Scouty. Yeah, he likes it. This is a hit. Well, we just wanted to drop in, say what's up to you because we ain't seen you in a while. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of our uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there'll definitely be another video. Bye.